My mouse!
That guy's sus.
Boom shakalaka. First stunt involves a baby and an explosive hydrogen bomb.
Oh.
4 babies in one van.
Is he hitting?
Boom shakalaka! A site is clear again.
Watch out for heaven.
Throwing a Molotov.
But you watch your pants before I play.
Watch your mom, you fag. 1 out of 10. You suck.
Report? And you swallow, you hilly goofball. That is so gooftitious. Oh my god.
Wait, play the Home Depot. Fucking.
That dude has the slowest reaction time known to mankind.
Did they find it either, bub? Or are you just kidding out loud?
Oh, really? Did they, bub?
Shut the fuck up.
Oh, my name's a retard. Don't fucking talk to me, dumbass.
Actually, my name's fucking Hugenus109. Bottom of the leaderboard, head ass bitch.
Oh my god, the competitive CSGO short match new game.
Oh my
goodness. Like,
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up.
You get the reference.
Oh.
Nice fake.
Shut. Oh my god, I aced! They might be playing an explosive device. Oh my
What did that look like?
It looked good shit. Just kidding.
Dude, be careful, that guy has a weapon. Oh, one dead.
Watch the flank. Flank has been watched. Watch the flank. Okay. This is a little technique I like to call sleeping with.
63! Oh, you have one job, Jack.
Oh my god, I sniped him!
Oh, only.
Good god, that dude is so. Oh my dude.
Bro,